Once upon a time, there was a little bird named Sky who lived in a beautiful forest. Sky had a dream of flying higher and farther than any other bird in the forest. He spent his days practicing and perfecting his flying skills, but one day disaster struck. This story has many interesting twists coming ahead, so please watch the video till the end and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Let's continue. Sky was caught in a sudden storm and thrown off course. He found himself lost and alone, far away from his home and family. He flew for hours, searching for any sign of familiar territory, but all he saw was a vast and unfamiliar landscape. Just when Sky thought he could go no further, he saw a glimmer of light in the distance. He flew towards it, hoping it would lead him to safety. But as he drew closer, he realized it was not a friendly beacon, but a towering wall of stone. Sky was trapped, and he didn't know what to do. He flew around the wall, searching for a way over or under it, but it was too high and too thick. Just when he was about to give up, he saw a small hole in the wall, barely big enough for him to fit through. Sky hesitated. He didn't know what was on the other side of the wall or if it was safe to go through the hole. But he knew he had no other choice. He summoned all his courage and flew through the hole. On the other side, Sky found himself in a vast and mysterious garden. It was filled with exotic flowers, towering trees, and a maze of hedges. Sky was amazed, but he was also scared. He didn't know if he could find his way back to his home, and he didn't know if there were any dangers lurking in this strange and unfamiliar place. As Sky explored the garden, he encountered many obstacles and challenges. He had to navigate through the maze, dodge the claws of a hungry cat, and escape the clutches of a sneaky snake. Each time he faced a new challenge, Sky summoned all his skills and instincts and found a way to overcome it. Finally, after many twists and turns, Sky saw a familiar tree on the horizon. He flew towards it, his heart racing with excitement and relief. When he landed on the branch, he saw his family waiting for him with open wings. Sky had overcome many obstacles, and he was a stronger and braver bird because of it. He knew that he could face anything that came his way as long as he believed in himself and never gave up. Thanks for watching.